Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2010 Lexus IS 350. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, a low tire pressure indicator, 18-inch alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a leather interior, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a toolkit, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, a home link feature, and this vehicle has fewer than 27,000 miles on the odometer. This Lexus has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Let us show you what over a century of inspired service has taught us.